Airphone Elijah, Gadget Hunter. And today, I have one of the most powerful pieces of technology that's ever been shared on YouTube. Oh, Airphone, what's with the face protection? Ha 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 ha. Hey, this is no joke. Let me show you what happened to the last reviewer who turned this on without protection. What lives in this box is a true monster. It happens to be the most powerful production flashlight on Earth. Now let me give you some context first. You probably trade baseball cards and Pokemon. Well, I collect and use the world's most advanced and powerful flashlights. Your car headlights. Each one of your car headlights is about 700 lumens. A lumen is a measurement of brightness, and that's the term that's used to designate how powerful lights are. This is the EC21 from Nitecore. It's a very popular flashlight. It's small. It's about 460 lumens. This slender phallus is a classic. It's the PD35 from Fenix. Its max output is 960 lumens, which is brighter than one of your headlights. This substantial sausage is the TK35 Ultimate Edition from Fenix. This is 2000 lumens, which is 25% brighter than the standard headlights of any car. Now this is the TM16 from Nitecore. This has 4 of the most advanced cutting edge LEDs that you can get inside, and it will output a maximum of 4000 lumens, which is more than double the output of your car headlights. Now these are all very small, state-of-the-art, powerful handheld flashlights, but what I have in this box blows them all away. For inside the 4 walls of this paper housing lies the Imalent DX80. This flashlight possesses the most state-of-the-art, the most bright, the most powerful LEDs that you could purchase today. This is 32,000 lumens. And all of this technology is packed together into one insane face-melting torch that shouldn't even be legal and might not be. I'm not sure. I didn't check the local laws. Now I'm surprised this came in a cardboard box. I would have guessed it would have come in a suitcase with a handcuff on it or something like that. Perhaps a hand still in the handcuff. Oh! Okay, in the box we have the charger, because unlike many high-tech flashlights, this one comes with batteries built in. All you need to do is charge it. We've got a case that is large and in charge. It's so heavy. Look at this monster. This is a huge flashlight. It's the largest one that I own, and just look at these together. Now, if you look at the fronts of these, you can see this one has 8 LEDs compared to this one's 4, and the LEDs in this are much larger. It's got heat fins on it, like most of these flashlights do. Very girthy, so very girthy. Now, I've never used a flashlight this powerful. I've never turned this flashlight on. I don't know what to expect. Let's go ahead and get it charged up, and let's go outside and let's melt some eyebrows. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our demonstration of the Imalent DX80. Unfortunately, the brightness of this powerful flashlight has blinded me and... What's that? I'm holding a shoe. Give me that. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our presentation of the Imalent DX80, the brightest flashlight on Earth. Unfortunately, the power of this device has robbed me of my eyesight, though doctors have assured me that my vision should return at least partially in the next 2 to 3 weeks. If you're interested in the DX80 or any of the other flashlight instrumentation I featured in today's program, I will leave a link to all such gadgets in the description below. If you know of a flashlight that's brighter than this one, please get a hold of me. I'm at Airfun on Twitter. Until next time, my friends, my name is Airfun Elijah, Gadget Hunter, and I'll see you guys next time.